Put your home in your pocket. Xenon Wi-Fi Doorbell help you monitor your home. Mobile access. See and speak with visitors from anywhere using your smartphone. Access recorded footage anytime and receive instant mobile alerts via the free UC Bell application, iOS and Android. DC 12 volts power. Connects to your home's existing doorbell wiring, triggering your internal chime. Smart motion detection. Motion sensors activate the camera and trigger instant mobile alerts when movement is detected, giving you peace of mind when you're away.
Hello, who's that?
Mini SD and smartphone recording. Mini SD recording captures every actively detected by the video doorbell motion sensors, including doorbell rings. HD video is recorded and securely stored in a mini SD card, and can be reviewed instantly using the UC Bell application.
Hello dear, open the door please.
Okay, wait a moment.
A finish for every home. Choose from 3 beautiful faceplate finishes and match your UC video doorbell to your door's hardware. Select from white, golden, and black. Set up and install in minutes. Connect the UC Bell Wi-Fi video doorbell to your Wi-Fi network by following our easy in-application instructions. Installation is just as easy, and thanks to our installation menu, you have access to step-by-step instructions on how to mount the device. The UC Bell Wi-Fi video doorbell comes with everything you need to install it in minutes on any surface.